So I know a lot of you out there have a P30 chassis like this one, or just your RV is getting blown all over the road. You're white knuckling it. Well, today I'm going to show you what I did to get this thing driving like a brand new rig. I want to talk to you today. If you're having RV swaying issues when the trucks pass you and your RV's changing lanes on you like this thing was, it could be a nightmare. Well, this here is a 96 Southwind Storm on the infamous P30 chassis, and as you all well know, some of them drive great, some don't. I've had this in for front end alignment. It drives straight down the road with no wind and no trucks next to you. And I started throwing money at it, and I'm here to show you exactly what fixed the problem. So stick with me. I'll show you what's going on. The first thing we did, underneath the rig here, we've got the sway bars, and these are new poly bushings. The rig had the original rubber ones in, so we swapped those out, put in new poly bushings. So that firmed up the suspension. So I recommend doing that. Now I'll take you up front. Alright, underneath the front end here, one of the first things we did was the springs on this P30 chassis have the airbags inside. These are the Firestone ones. The originals were popped, so I replaced those. That was an all-day chore. Okay, and then over here, I put in these new bell cranks. There's one on each side from Super Steer. Those were those helped a lot. The original ones have bearings in them, and these ones have needle bearings, I guess, and they don't have any slop. So I replaced the driver's side and the passenger side. Going over here, installed a Bilstein steering stabilizer. There's the other airbag inside the spring, and here's the other bell crank on the passenger side by Super Steer. Now Super Steer also makes replacement springs, so you don't have to run these airbags. What ultimately did it was I replaced my sway bar in the front. And anybody who has replaced their sway bars in the front and upgraded will tell you that is what did the job. Okay, this sway bar is 1 5/8 inches thick by Hellwig, and it comes with the bushings, the new mounts brackets, and that fixed it up right there. Replace that sway bar, and I trucks pass me, and sometimes they'll pass me, I didn't even notice it. Let me show you the original one that came out. The originals are 1 1/4 inches. Here's the original one, 1 1/4 inches. Inch 5/8. All right, so there you have it, guys. You want to fix your sway problems, replace your sway bar. All right, like I said, 1 1/4 inches was in there. We replaced it with 1 5/8 inches, and I in the corners you don't roll as much. The trucks pass, it doesn't blow you over and make you change lanes. It was a game changer. It drives like a brand new rig. And for 2 years, I've been fighting the wind, fighting the lanes, trucks driving by. It was just white knuckling it, you know. But once I bit the bullet and replaced that front sway bar with one that was thicker, it doesn't have to be Hellwig, but Hellwig sells one. They're 1 5/8 inches. Upgrade. You're gonna be glad you did.